When someone you love is gone, the world feels quieter. You hear the voice in your mind. Reach for the phone and remember, they're not there anymore. But maybe love doesn't disappear. Maybe it just changes form. When my mom passed away, I planted a red amarilla. It flowers usually during her birthday. So this year, when it blooms, I stood there crying, because in that quiet bloom, I realized something. Love doesn't end. It just finds a new way to reach you. Grief has no timetable. Some days you laugh, others you fall apart, but both are okay, because feeling deeply means you loved deeply, and that love is still with you. If this spoke to your heart, follow Thrive 60 for stories of healing, hope, and the quiet ways love continues. Watch the full episode on thrive60.com. Thanks for watching.